Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I am barefaced right now because I'm about to put some makeup on my face for you guys, but in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy box. I'm going to do this for the for the thumbnail. This is the Ipsy box and Boxycharm unboxing, but this time I'm going to actually put the makeup on my face. So I'm going to first show you what I got in each box, tell you about the subscription each one, and then I'm going to slap them all on my face. Alright, and then I'll let you know which one I think was better. So let's just jump into it. So I'm going to go and show you Boxycharm's box first because there's less items. But this is a $21 beauty subscription. It comes with about 5 to 6 full-size products every month. They do also have every quarter, I think it is. Every 3 months you can do a upgrade and do Boxy Luxe, which you get double amount of products. And that's, I think, $49.99 a month. So you can also upgrade, but this is just a regular box that I'm going to be showing you guys today. The products that I got was the Becca Illuminating Face Powder. It's called the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so pretty, like usual from Becca, and it's described as like a hydrating powder. Let's see, the weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Ooh. But anyways, I have already tried this product. It says it has a glycerin and water in it. I've had a deluxe sample size of it and I didn't really like it when I tried it. It has a wet feeling on the skin. It wasn't my favorite feeling, especially when you're oily. You don't want to feel wetness on the skin, at least for me. But maybe I was using it wrong, so I'm going to give it a try today. I got the Wonder Glow, the Becca one was $39. I got the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil from Wonder Beauty. Hopefully that focuses, it probably won't. But this says it retails for $42 and it's a multitasking beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. It says it's a powerful formula that nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier. The thing with this is it has oils in it. Looks like it has certain beauty oils in it. Typically, before I do my makeup, I don't like to use any products that have oil in it because I have very oily skin, especially through the T-zone area. So I usually avoid any kind of products like that, such as my moisturizers, primers, foundations, because I'm naturally oily on my own. I don't need any added oil, so this is probably something I would not use before skincare. Before makeup, but I would use it more like a skincare item. But we'll see how that works. I'll put it on today because I ain't going nowhere, so who cares if I look dewy. Then I got the Tarte Big Eagle Mascara. This is retails for $23. This is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and develops a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Ooh, I like this packaging though. Like, it's really cute and vibrant, and it's like a metal packaging. It feels really nice and sleek. And then I got the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. So these two shadows right here, they're so pretty. This says it's a high pigmented soft shadow with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Ooh, I'm gonna show you guys what the shades look like. But aren't they really pretty? I did swatch them on my hand already. Very nice. Hopefully I can use most of these products on my eyes, but I got the shade French Vanilla and Huckleberry. And they retail for $25 for 2 of these, which I think is kind of pricey for 2 shadows. I'd rather just stick to the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop, but hey, they might be amazing. And then I got the Steve Laurent lip liner. It says reshape and resize and redefine your pout. The lip pencil's total magic. Completely waterproof, no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours. And here's the shade. I already put it on my hand. Honestly, I'm not a lip liner person. I typically don't take the time to put lip liner on. It probably helped me, look like I have bigger lips, but I'm lazy and typically I don't use lip liners. I rarely ever use them, so I mean, I'm not excited about it, but I mean, the duals look really pretty. I'm excited about the mascara, but everything else I'm kind of on the fence about. But overall, with everything in total, it goes for $144, and I only paid $21 for this. So what a deal. I think these subscriptions are amazing. I just love them. I love discovering new makeup. It's like a surprise for me every month when I get them. But now I'm going to be showing you guys the Ipsy box. This one's kind of big because I did add-ons. So Ipsy is $25 a month, and you get the same amount, like 5 to 6 full-size products. It's called their Glam Bag Plus. They also do have a subscription called the Glam Bag that's, I think, $10 a month. That's deluxe samples. But if you want full-size samples, you got to do the Glam Bag Plus for $25. Another cool thing about Ipsy is that you can do add-ons every month, up to 3 add-ons to your box. And they're at a discounted price. So for full-size items, they're $12 each, and for deluxe samples, they're $3 each. So you can get some really good products for a discounted price. So it's amazing. So I'm going to show you guys my add-ons first, and then we'll jump into the things that I got in my box regularly. Okay, so I added on the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, like little mini palette here. I've been wanting this forever, and I did it as an add-on. It was only $12 for this, and I think they normally retail for, I think, 27 bucks. So that was a deal. And I love these kind of colors, and I love like the Huda palette, so I'm sure I will love these. And then I added on the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer in the shade Tan. So I got this one. It's kind of looks dark, right? But this is what the packaging looks like, and it's a squeezy tube. I really like It Cosmetics products, but this is described as a developed with dermatologists. This foundation helps you put your best face forward as a 3D skin flex technology. Don't know what that means. The lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even natural looking finish, plus it's infused with protective SPF 50. Now the reason why I added this on to my box was because in my regular box I was getting the shade medium, and medium looks too light for me. I mean, it matches my face right now, but I used to go darker because my body is a lot darker, so I try to make it match my body better. So medium would probably be good for me in the winter time, but I got the tan, which looks kind of dark, and they didn't have medium tan as an option, which was the in-between shade. So I got tan so I can mix these two to make a good shade for me. And this add-on was $12, so that's why I added on this one. Then going on, I mean, I showed you one of the regular items in my box, and then I also got the Coral Obsessions Huda palette, and this is so on trend because corals are like in right now, but so freaking cute. I can't wait to put these on my eyes, and it retails for $27 as well as the mauve one. And then I got the set of the Farrah brushes right here. Let's see, this retails for $50. Dang, this does not look like $50 worth of brushes, but I'm gonna pull it out. It says it's quality brushes that changes the game, created by a team of beauty lovers. Ooh, I've never used Farrah brushes. It says features luxe synthetic fibers to take your shading, blending, and cut crease to the next level. 100% vegan, cruelty free. Ooh, okay. These are kind of pretty, but I mean, they're plastic. I don't know why this set would be 50 bucks. Maybe 20, but not 50. That's a lot. All right, and then I got the Murad AHBHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Ooh, I love Murad. This is a hardworking cleanser to help give your skin life. Glycolic and lactic acid, both AHAs. Clear dead skin cells, while salicylic acid BHA penetrates deep into the pores to clear out excess dirt. Ooh. And then I got the Pure Lease Blue Lotus Essential Daily Moisturizer with SPF 50. It says finding a daily go-to that hydrates without feeling greasy and protects your skin with SPF is like finding a unicorn. Lucky for you, this fast-absorbing formula is infused with white tea, vitamin E, and algae extracts to help prevent fine lines while shielding your skin from the sun. Alright, and this retails for $45, which is kind of pricey. So now I'm going to jump into putting it on my face and doing all that good stuff. So I guess I'm going to try the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Alright, I'm going to put it on my face and add more illumination even though I already have enough. Honestly, wow. It smells almost like a serum. It doesn't feel really oily. But now, I'm also going to add the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer or SPF 30 sunscreen from Pure Lease. Just going to put both of them on. Why not? Ooh, a safety seal. And I'm going to... This looks like a regular moisturizer. It smells weird. I can't describe the scent, but it has a weird smell. But... this one feels more hydrating than the illuminating glow oil from Wonder Beauty. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting on the Bye Bye It Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation. I'm going to be mixing the medium shade and the tan shade. Whoa, that's too much product. But I'm going to mix these two together and hopefully get my perfect shade. I've squeezed way too much product out. Yeah, that looks perfect. So I'm just going to do that. This has a scent to it. I don't know how to describe it. It almost smells like skincare, like a herbally skincare. It feels like just a really thick moisturizer. That's how I would describe the feeling of it, but I think it looks really... Man, I look super dewy. Alright guys, I am looking super dewy. Like, I am not used to my foundation looking tacky because normally I go in with a matte, like a matte foundation. But I don't know if this is the products that I put underneath, like the illuminating oil and the moisturizer, or if it's the foundation itself. I'm sure it's like a combination of both. So now we're gonna go in with the powder. Where is it? Right here. The Becca powder. This is the shade Translucent. So I'm going to use this to set my under eyes. Oh, it has like a little netting. Cool. Let's see how it does setting my concealer. I did put on a little concealer, so. Oh my god, this powder feels so weird. Looks pretty good under the eyes. I'm still seeing a little bit of creasing. It's not bad. Let me use the rest of the powder all over my face. And just getting used to that wet feeling. Oh my god. I literally feel like I'm dabbing a wet brush all over my face. But honestly, I think it set my skin pretty well. Like, the first time I tried this product, I hated it. But, I mean, how does my face feel wet, but it made the dewiness go away? Alright guys, I'm back. I put on some blush and bronzer and highlight. So I think we're ready to go in and do the eyes. I'm going to be using the Farrah brushes from Ipsy. And I'm going to, I don't know, I want to kind of use a combination. I don't think I'm going to be able to use both palettes. But I think I'm going to go with the, not coral, the mauve one and do like a kind of mauve plummy look with these. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go in with the cream shade in here and just kind of set. But I'm gonna go in right here for this one. And just put it in the crease. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna kind of speed through this process so we're not here all day. Alright guys, so that is it for the eyes. I think it looked really pretty. These shadows go on so nice. It's almost like a cream to powder formula. And of course, I love Huda Beauty, like their shadow formula. So it blended really nice into the eyes, and I like the brushes. They're really soft. I'm gonna blend a little bit more. Like they're really soft. So happy so far. So now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer so you guys can see how it looks. But this is what the wand looks like. It's one of those like hourglass wands, kind of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex. But we'll see if it's any good. So I think it's okay. The mascara definitely gives you kind of like a, I'm gonna get some of the mascara off. It gives you like a really fluttery look. Like it made my lashes fan out and look really fluttery, but I don't feel like it gave me a lot of length. Does that make any sense? Like they separated them and kind of made them look fanned out, but I don't feel like it makes my eyelashes as long as like some of my favorite mascaras. But I think it made my lashes look really pretty. Last but not least, the lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips and put on some lipstick, and that would be the completed look with all the products. So let's see. Okay, so I lined the lips. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lippy stick in Lumiere, because I think it matches the lip liner pretty well, because the lip liner is kind of a mauve tone. Wow, that matched the lip liner like perfectly, because it's kind of a mauve shade. But that's it. I'm gonna zoom you guys out and put my hair down. So I think the products are really good so far, in both subscriptions. I actually like this powder. I'm really shocked. I think this mascara gives me a nice fluttery lash look, and the brushes were great from the Ipsy. Of course, I love Huda. I'm not sure about the foundation. I'd have to wear it more and more and put it with a primer that I prefer like a more mattifying primer, and also use it with my favorite powder. So I'm not sure how I feel about the foundation yet, but so far I love both of them. I forgot to mention the Ipsy one. I think it comes up to like $190, somewhere around there, and then the Boxycharm was like $140 in its total value. So I definitely got a good money's worth of products. I like everything. I think it looks really pretty. But honestly, I do like the Ipsy box better this month, and that seems to be the trend lately. I've been loving the Ipsy boxes way better. But that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of me trying it on, and me like trying out some of the products on my face and showing you everything that I got. Leave your guys comments, feedback, questions, anything you have below. I love hearing from all of y'all. And subscribe if you haven't yet, if you want to keep seeing my face. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. But until next time, bye guys.